So in this tutorial, we learn how to clone a project from GitHub to a local machine. But first we need to create a folder where the project will be cloned. And I'll create my folder in my D drive. And I'll name my folder Civic. Open the folder and copy its path. So next, open your Gitbash. So with Gitbash, you can run your Git commands within the command line interface. Simply type cd for change directory, double quotes, and in between the quotes, paste the path that you have recently copied and click enter. So afterwards, log into your GitHub account. So GitHub, login. I'll sign in to my GitHub account. So I already have a GitHub account. So I want to clone this Civic engagement platform. So first click code and copy this link for the hypertext transfer protocol secure. After copying it, come back to the Gitbash and use the git clone command and paste the path that you have recently copied and click enter. Now the cloning process is complete. So when you come back to the folder that you have recently created, so Civic, when I open the folder, you'll see my projects have been included, meaning that our project has been cloned in our system. So that's how to clone any project in your system. I'll show you on how to open the project in your Visual Studio Code. Simply drag the folder and place it in your VS Code, and your project has been launched in VS Code. So that's how to clone any project from GitHub to a local machine. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Mepro Education. Thank you.